My name is Michelle Abrams. I'm the Homeowners Association Controller for Portofino Island Resort and Spa located on beautiful Pensacola Beach. My typical day consists of overseeing the financial information for 6 homeowners associations, including 765 homeowners. And so a typical day I would come in and answer hundreds of emails, questions from homeowners. I also do collections for the associations, which means if someone hasn't paid their bill, I would go through the necessary steps with the attorney to collect that money. I approve purchase order requests. I oversee all of the accounting staff, so I oversee accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll for our organization, as well as the general day-to-day accounting. I go to various meetings and I meet with various board members. I have 6 boards of directors that I answer to on a daily basis, and I also compile the financial reports and do journal entries and whatever's needed to make sure that the accounting is up to date, including working with the auditors and ensuring that our financials are relevant and visible to everyone, that they can tell what we've got going on. The requirements for becoming a controller would be that you would have to have a bachelor's degree in accounting. Additional degrees such as a master's degree in business or accounting would be great. A CPA is exceptional in this field. I would also suggest that a person have a community association licensure, and you need to check with your state to see if you would need that. Additionally, you would want to have a personality that you liked people, especially that you could work with people of differing personalities, that you have to be very detail oriented, that you can do budgets, and you like to work with money and find the pennies, because that's what's most important in the job, is to be able to balance out the needs of the organization as well as your fiscal responsibility to your organization. The best part of my job each day would be working for different individuals and homeowners, basically for my organization. Also, that no day is ever the same, and that I get to work with a really great team and help build them up each day and teach them new and exciting things. The worst part about my job, I would say, is the different personalities that you have to interact with, and that at my level in the organization, you sometimes have to be the bad guy with people, especially particularly in my industry, when someone hasn't paid their bill and you have to do collections activities. You have to go after someone personally, and you have to try to differentiate between that. Another thing is that the job is very stressful, especially during budget time, and it is taxing on your family and on you personally, and it does require long hours of work, including nights and weekends for board meetings. My advice for anybody looking to get into this field is definitely, when you start out in an organization, make sure that you understand all aspects of the organization. Volunteer for projects that even you may not understand, so that you get a better layout of what's going on within the organization. Especially if you're starting out in accounting, try to work through all the different areas of accounts receivable, accounts payable, and doing journal entries, etc., so that you can understand the different facets of accounting, and it'll give you a leg up in this job.